How to replace your DasherDirect card. If you want to replace your DasherDirect card because maybe you've lost it, had it stolen or damaged, then you can request a new card through the Dasher app or the DasherDirect app. So what we do is first of all, we launch the Dasher application, tap on Let's Dash and you log in using your phone number or email or password. Then once you're logged in, what you do is you have to navigate to the Report a Card Issue option within the app. Select the reason for replacement, maybe lost, stolen, damaged, and provide any necessary details if you'd like. Ensure your shipping address is accurate and updated if needed. Then follow the prompts to request a new physical card and a temporary virtual card. While waiting for your new physical card, you'll have to access a new virtual card to make online purchases. And once your physical card arrives, activate it through the Dasher app. This way you can go ahead and then replace your DasherDirect card. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.